Make the rooster crow.
Okay, we're gonna start the dance going at 10:30. We're gonna hop out, shake, 3, 4. Same thing on the other side. To get there, we're gonna hop together at 12 and out to 1:30. Shake, 7, 8. Next 8 count, we're gonna square up back to 12 o'clock. We're gonna step out right, behind, and heel, ball, cross your right over your left. Now we're going to start turning. We're going to step out to 9 o'clock with our left, hitch to 6, put that right foot down, and then you're going to drop it 7 and 8. So it's kind of like a hydraulic, gradual cut. That is the idea anyways. Okay, from there, we're going to chug our left foot back over our left shoulder so we face 3 o'clock. So we're going to chug 1, 2, 3, 4. So now you are sort of still low and facing 3. And now we're going to walk back right, left, right, left. So right, left, right, left. And while you do that, you can re-elevate yourself. All right, from there we're going to finish it off with some kick and points. So right foot, kick, step, point, angle your body a little to the right. Kick, step, point, angle your body a little to the left. Then kick, step, cross with your right. Kick, ball, cross. Now you're going to take a big step towards the 3 o'clock wall with your right, slide your left in, and step. So now you're kind of already facing the new 10:30 wall. You're going to start off with a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. All right, let's put some counts to it. Here we go from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8.